Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are good and you are best and you are well, you are fine, everything is fine. So I make a vlog. Firstly, I am alone in the roof. I am practice English speaking alonely because I am tell before in my vlog. I am say that I am lonely because I am say in I have also friends but in a far, so I'm not go their home and my friends is not come my home. So that is I am only practice English in alone and my friends is not interest that learn in English. He's think that 1 minute. His think that in English is a just a language, guys. My friends is think that in English just a language, but no, for me English is a not a just a language. English is a english is that language who is learn. If you go in a outside country, international country is also speaking, lot of countries speak to English, different language. In India we are living, so in India country is Hindi. Yes, we all tell in Hindi, and in India is also different it says Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab. Lot of people is saying Punjabi, Haryana language. That is also language in other state in India also, and in outside international country also. Lot of people is speaking to lot of things means in English speaking and Span language. Lot of language. If you respect in other language, then other people is also respect your language. So English is not just a language for me, because they are culture, they are respect other country language. That is, and in a language, in English language, I know sometime I think that very difficult, and I am this time I am not speak to perfectly in English, but I improve my English because anybody is not here. So I think that I have mobile, so I make on the camera, then I make a vlog. That is, so you not think that English is just a language. No, English is also lot of people is dream. I speak fluently English, I speak clearly English. That is lot of girls and boys, lot of dreams. I also dreams. When I speak that, when I am reading in a English, I don't know what is English, don't know. I only that in English which is teach in a school. That is I only English in our books chapters. That is, and I am not reading in English. I am not reading, and this time I am show you. This time I am reading is a newspaper. You can see this time I am reading a newspaper. I am not reading a fluently in a newspaper. I am also do mistake. I also not learn fastly. I am also do in a newspaper. And when I'm reading, I'm not also speak clearly words. I'm do mistake, but that is not matter. I am give up, I'm not reading, so that is not helpful me. So I'm this time is also speak to in English. I'm also speak to mistakes because I know I'm not speak clearly this time, but one day will come because I do practice in I am stand front of mirror, then I am speak to in a anything I speak in myself, anything, any topic I am talking. I don't know why I'm talking. I don't know. I'm stand, I speak anything. I'm speak positive line in a morning time. This time I am today I am wake up late, then I am do some then I am doing something works, then I am reading newspaper, because in English, who's learn in English, so that is very important for newspaper. So I'm reading in a newspaper. So I'm speak that when I don't know in English meaning what is in English, then I'm join tuition coaching. I am joined, then I am reading, and I am when I am reading in a ka ka ga, this is a ka. Ka is English is K. You know, ka, K. That is I am learned, and I think 14 and 15 years to 13 and 14 years. I am old. I give only 2 years in my English. Then I am speak to something in English. But this time I am not go to tuition because ma'am is teaching me lot of teaching. Ma'am is teaching lot of children, but this time he's living in a Chandigarh. He's shifted in a Chandigarh. Then we are practice in a alone. Then I am think that anybody is not here, so I make a vlog. If you are watching this, you like it, so you subscribe my channel, because I know anyone is, I am really speak, anyone is not subscribe my channel. I really speak, and why not subscribe I don't know. Don't like my English, don't like my channel, I don't know anything, but I hope that you are subscribe my channel, you are supported me. If I am speak to anything wrong in English, so you do comment, then I am make to do understand in English, and improve my English. I make a vlog only one motive, I improve my English. That is only one motive. Not I am not say that I am earn money in a, I make a vlog, I am earn money. No, I have interest in a make a vlog, but I am not make a vlog because this time I am doing study. That is very important because girls are become educated, so that is very important. So that is only, then other I don't know. So I only speak that. So I only this motive, this dream, I learn English fluently, I speak in English. I know one day come I speak also in English. Any friends not have, anybody is not have, I am talking which person, then I make a vlog. If you are watching, you like, so you do comments, you like, and you subscribe, you share. My friends are not interesting learning in English, but I interesting, I don't know why I am interesting, but in English I know in English is my passion. Lot of people, lot of girls, lot of people is dream that, lot of girls is dream that I am learning English, I am go international country, I am living in a outside country. That is dream. So I am only speak that this is a small vlog. I am not make a vlog because I don't know how to make a vlog. I am only open camera, and I only, if I am think that no, I have not expensive phone, so I am not make a vlog. So that is very important, that is very wrong for me. Any mobile I have Oppo, then I am shoot. If you like, so you comment, you like, you comment, and you subscribe channel. Please I request you, just subscribe channel, because you subscribe my channel, you see my videos, then if I am speak to anything wrong, so you make to understand me. Jigyasa, this is a wrong, this is a right, you improve English better. So bye, and I'm going doing in my work. So I again speak, subscribe my channel, like, comment. Bye.